I'm going to just run through really quickly how a business administrator can add a new user onto their business. So when you first log in as business administrator, the default page that you come up with is a list of your users. If you have a new member in the business that you'd like to include, simple matter of clicking on the Add User button. And it will ask for details. So we can punch that in. You can choose a photo if you like. You'll need to accept the terms and conditions, of course. Now this is important. You do need to select the role that this new subscriber will take up. I would suggest that for most businesses you'd have one or two business administrators, but the majority would be a simple user functionality. In essence, that just means that the user can use all of the Bob features, but doesn't have the ability to change any of the corporate settings, so logo, fonts, colors, disclaimers, music, etc. All of that sort of stuff is preloaded for the content that they create. So it is then just a matter of creating that email address. The system then will send through to this person an activation account. You can see that I've created that new user. If we go in and check their details, we didn't pick a file for their pick a photo for their profile, but that can be easily done. Yes, we put them as a user, and now you'll see here the status. Active is not ticked. That's because I haven't had the opportunity to go in as the user and activate my account and create a password. Now, business administrators, if you do have users that are forgetful with their password from time to time, it's a simple matter of jumping on and hitting change password for individual users, and that will send an email notification to them notifying them of the change password. And at this point too, you will need to choose a subscription plan for that particular user. So I'm going to assume that they have been made active. We then move into the world of, okay, let's pick up a subscription, and the correct user subscription would be the starter package. So I hit view. Into the product details. This is a duration 30 days, cost is US $20, subscribe. This will then take you through to our PayPal interface, and PayPal is the mechanism by which we will create these ongoing payments. So yes, you will need a PayPal account in order to subscribe. We really enjoy and find PayPal's very useful from our perspective. It makes managing all of those subscriptions very maintainable from our perspective. I hope this tutorial around adding subscribers to your business has been useful.